A very good morning to you, my dear students. Today, we are going to learn a new topic in English, that is magic seed. But before we proceed, I want all of you to view the story of a magic seed.
The magic seed. Chinu was 5 years old. Auntie Prema gave Chinu a mango. Chinu ate the mango. It was very sweet. He threw away the seed. Suddenly, Chinu heard a tiny voice.
Chinu, don't throw me away. Hide me in the soil. You will see magic.
Was it coming from the seed? Chinu dug a hole. He put the seed in the hole. He put soil over the seed. Grandfather helped Chinu. He said,
"Water it every day. Then you will see the magic."
Soon, a baby plant came out. Chinu said,
"Look at the baby plant, Grandfather. Is this the magic of the mango seed?"
Grandfather said,
"Wait and see. There is more magic."
The little plant began to grow. It grew very big. It grew for many years. Chinu was a big boy now. He was 9 years old. The little plant was a big tree. Chinu said,
"A small seed has become a huge tree. That is the magic."
Grandfather said,
Wait a little more. There will be more magic.
It was a lovely day in the month of March. Chinu woke up early. He looked out of the window. The mango tree was full of small flowers.
"Oh, look at the flowers. This is the magic,"
said Chinu. Once again, Grandfather said,
Wait a little. There will be more magic.
One day Chinu saw more magic. There were tiny green mangoes on the tree. Soon the mangoes grew big and yellow. Grandfather said,
Chinu, call your friends. The mangoes are ripe. We can eat them.
Chinu and his friends ate the mangoes. They were sweet and delicious.
"This is the magic of the seed,"
they said.
I hope, girls, you must have understood the story. Why does a poet call the seed magic seed? Yes, you are right. Because seeds grow into plants, trees, and gives us lots of vegetables and fruits. In this picture, we can see many types of seeds. Where do we find the seeds? Yes, we find seeds in fruits and vegetables. Now, girls, I will read out the poem for you. Please listen to it carefully. Magic seed. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I am not sure what it is yet. Apple, peas or figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Now I will explain you the poem. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Here the poet is saying that he found a tiny little seed. Tiny means small. And he has planted that seed outside his house. Can you see in the picture? The girl is planting the seed? Yes. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. And the poet is saying that after he has planted the seed, suddenly he saw it grew up tall and wide. Okay, the seed has grown up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. In this stanza, poet is saying, once the plant grew tall and wide, leaves started growing from its branches. Sprouted means what? Coming out. Okay? So the leaves have started growing from its branches. And now it has become quite big. I am not sure what it is yet. Apple, peas or figs. Now here the poet is confused. He is not sure which type of tree it is. Whether it is of apple or whether it is of peas or figs. Now you all must be eating apples, right? Even you must be knowing peas and figs. Alright, we move ahead. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Here the poet is not worried about the type of tree it will be grown, but still he believes that it will be his own special tree. Why it will be special to him? Because he has planted it. Okay? Now you must be also having some special things, right? Which your parents must have given you. And you take care of that special thing. Correct? In the same way, this tree will be also special to the poet. Why? Because he had planted the seed of the tree and now it has grown up tall. And that is why he is not worried about which types of tree it will be. But he believed that it will be his own special tree. Okay? I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.